At 4 a.m., I stepped into the dark, chasing a moment I couldn't see. The wind was sharp, the ground loose, the silence louder than I expected. But I didn't stop. Because some climbs don't begin with your feet. They begin with a reason. Croagh, the sacred mountain, the place of pilgrimage, where prayers have lived in the wind for 1,500 years. Most climb it to honor something. I climbed it to feel something. I reached the summit too early, 45 minutes before the light. The wind didn't welcome me. It tested me. I hid beside the chapel, frozen fingers tucked beneath my jacket, alone, cold, watching the horizon like a man waiting for a sign. And then, the sky shifted. Not all at once, just a shimmer, low and far, like the beginning of a thought. The clouds pulled apart like curtains drawn by old hands. And the chapel lit up. Not just illuminated, ignited. The walls turned gold. The mist around it caught fire. It looked like something between a lighthouse and a memory. I didn't film right away. I didn't even breathe for a second. Because that moment wasn't mine to take. It was mine to witness. The mountain gave me silence, and then it gave me awe. I thought about St. Patrick, fasting here for 40 days, about the pilgrims walking barefoot, leaving parts of their souls with every step. And here I was, a stranger with a drone, but somehow part of the same story. Because when the light finally came, it didn't just touch the chapel, it touched me, somewhere deep, somewhere wordless. The wind calmed, my thoughts cleared, and for the first time in a long time, I didn't want anything. I just wanted to be. It wasn't about footage. It wasn't even about the view. It was about feeling small and somehow infinite at the same time. That's what mountains do. They humble you, they hold you, and if you're quiet enough, they change you. But something else stays with you too. The echo. The sense that maybe, just maybe, this mountain saw you coming. That long before you arrived, it knew your weight, your thoughts, your questions. Maybe that's why you reached the summit early. Maybe the silence wasn't empty. It was listening. And when the light poured across the peak, it wasn't just a sunrise. It was an answer. A reminder that no matter where you've been, you're still becoming. You are not the first soul to shiver in this wind, and you won't be the last. Others will come, some with cameras, some with prayers, some with nothing but breath. But the mountain will remember them all, and long after we're gone, it will still rise, still wait, still welcome the sun. I came down different, not because of what I saw, but because of what I felt, because of what I left behind. You won't remember my name, but maybe, just maybe, you'll remember this feeling. And if you felt it too, even from your screen, then maybe you were there with me. Maybe for a moment, we stood on that mountain together, breathing the same quiet, sharing the same light. That's the magic of moments like these. They don't belong to one person. They belong to whoever's willing to feel them. This is Croagh. This is Ireland. This is above the clouds.